Yeah. Students, now we will continue with the problem set 3 of arithmetic progression. The seventh sum is like this. In an AP, first term is minus 5, okay, and the last term is 45. That means A is minus 5, Tn is 45, and Sn equal to 120. So, how many terms are available there, and the common difference we have to find out. First of all, we will write what are the things given to you. Given A equal to minus 5 and Tn equal to 45 and Sn equal to 120. Now listen very carefully. Now if you want to find out Sn, okay, you have got two formula. One is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The another formula is, see here, Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. Now listen very carefully. T1 is also given, Tn is also given. So you can find out. Okay. Now what is Sn? 120 is equal to n upon 2 into what is T1? A, that is minus 5 plus 45. So n upon 2 into 40. Okay, so 20. So 120. Therefore n equal to 120 upon 20 equal to 6. So now look at this, very easily we could find the value of n. That means how many terms are there? There are 6 terms available. Therefore there are 6 terms available in the given AP. Okay, now you have to find out the common difference. Common difference you can find out. Now look at this, Tn is given to you. Tn equal to 45. Okay, now to find D, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is your Tn now? 45. What is A? Minus 5 plus what is n? N is equal to 6. How many times are available? Therefore n equal to 6. 6 minus 1 into D. So 45. This minus 5 we will take it here, plus 5 equal to 5D. So 50 equal to 5D. Therefore 5D equal to 50. Therefore D equal to 50 upon 5, which is equal to 10. Therefore common difference of this AP is 10. That's all. Very simple. Okay, within no time you can do it. Now next sum. The sum of the natural number, this is also a very interesting sum. Sum of natural number from 1 to n is 36. Find n. Okay, now listen very carefully, I will explain. The sum of natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. But what they are telling, the sum of certain number is 36. So it may be 10th term, it may be 8th term, it may be 20th term. So we have to find out up to what term if you add, you will get 36, right? So here what is given first? Sn equal to 36. Now what is A? You are knowing natural number 1. What is difference? See here, 1. You are knowing it. Okay. Now Sn is given. So Sn formula we will write, because you are knowing A and D. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, but what is Sn? Sn is 36. So, 36 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. So, n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So, n by 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So, 1 plus n. Where this 2 will go? Here. So, 36 into 2 equal to n into n plus 1. 72 equal to n into n plus 1. So, n square plus n. This 72 you take it here. What do you got? Quadratic equation. That's all. You will solve it. N square plus n minus 72 equal to 0. So, you will be able to solve it. What is the factor for 1 here? 72. So, n square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 equal to 0. Okay. So, n you will take it out, n plus 9 minus 8, n plus 9 equal to 0. What is common? N plus 9 into n minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, n plus 9 equal to 0 or n minus 8 equal to 0. That is n equal to minus 9 or n equal to 8. But these are the sum of natural number. But minus 9 is not a natural number. Therefore, what is the answer? N equal to 8. Therefore, the value of n is 8. That's all. This is also very interesting sum. Now, next sum is very, very interesting. We will do the ninth sum. Ninth sum you see, divide 207 into 3 parts such that the numbers are in AP and the product of two smaller parts is 4623. Okay. Now, listen very carefully. You will have to find out, those 3 parts. Now, for example, I will tell you one small thing. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 centimeter is there. I am making into 3 parts only. Okay. Now listen. This is one part. This is second part. This is third part. So I am making 1. This is 2. This is 3. This 6 is there. This 6 is there. This I am making into 3 parts. First part will be 1, second part will be 2, third part will be 3. Okay. Now you see here, what is the difference here? 1. What is the difference here? 1. So this follows AP. That means if you take this as A, this as A minus D, this as A plus D, because it is 2, it is 2 minus 1, it is 2 plus 1. So, what we will take is, let the 3 parts be, let the 3 pods be A minus D, A and A plus D, right? Now, what they are telling, what is the given condition? If you add these three, then you will get 207. From the condition, from given, what they say? Divide these three pods. See, divide 207 into 3 pods. So, if you add those 3 pods, you will be getting 207. That means A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 207. So, we will remove the bracket. So, 3A equal to 207. Therefore, A equal to 207 upon 3 equal to 69. Now, what is second condition? From the condition, product of two smaller parts, equal to 4623. What is the smaller number? This and this. So, A minus D into A equal to 4623. Followed or not? So, what is A? 69 minus D into 69 equal to 4623. So, 69 minus D equal to, it will be divided 4623 upon 69, which is equal to 67. That is 69 minus D equal to 67. You take it here, this you take it here. So, 69 minus 67 equal to D. Therefore, 2 equal to D. Therefore, D equal to 2. Okay. Now, we have got the common difference D. Now, we have A equal to 69 and D equal to 2. Therefore, the required parts are, the required 3 parts are, what we assumed? A minus D, A plus D. Substitute the value. 69 minus 2, 69, 69 plus 2. So, 67, 69 and 71. Is it interesting? Yes, it is really interesting. Now, next sum we will do. See, next sum is 10th sum. There are, I will write down the sums. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of 3 terms placed exactly in the middle is 225, and the sum of the last 3 term and the sum of last 3 term is 429. Find the AP. Here, I ask you to read the sum very carefully. See, there are 37 terms in an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. up to 37 terms are there. Now, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to find out the middle term of this sequence? See here, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n plus 1 upon 2 middle term equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. So how many are there? 5. 5 plus 1 upon 2th term. That means 6 upon 2 equal to 3rd term. See, this is the middle one, right? Now here also there are 37 terms are there. There are how many terms? 37 terms. So here n equal to 37. Therefore, how to find out middle term? I explained to you. Middle term equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. So 37 plus 1 upon 2 the term equal to 38 by 2th term. That means 19th term. Okay. Now see, there are 37 terms in an AP. What is the middle term? 19. They are telling sum of 3 terms. So 1, 2, here 37 terms. Here what is there? 19th term. Sum of. So here 18, here 20. See, sum of 3 terms placed exactly in the middle is 225. That means yes, T from given condition, what is the condition? Says 3 middle terms are, see, that means T 18 plus T 19 plus T 20 equal to 225. Followed? So they have given like this. Now what is T19? See, Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So here we will write A plus 17D plus A plus 18D plus A plus 19D equal to 225. Right. Now how we will get A plus A plus A plus A? 3A plus 54D equal to 225. If you are dividing by 3, A plus 18D equal to 75. It is equation number 1. Okay, now we will use the second condition from given first condition. Now from given second condition, what is the second condition? Says last 3 term. What is the last term? 37, 36 and 35. So T35 plus T36 plus T37 equal to 429. Followed? So same thing, this we will write. That means A plus 34D plus A plus 35D plus A plus 36D equal to 429. So 3D plus 105D, if you add it like that, equal to 429. Okay, 3A. So if you divide by 3, what you will get? A plus divided by 3. A plus 35D equal to 143. This is equation number 2. Now we have got 2 equations, right? So we have to solve it. Solving equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? So first we will write this one, bigger coefficient wala, 143, and A plus 18D equal to 75. See here, same coefficient, subtract. minus minus minus. So what will happen is 17D equal to 68. Therefore D equal to 68 upon 17 equal to 4. Okay, now we will substitute. Therefore substituting D equal to 4 in equation 1, what we will get? A plus 18D equal to 75. So A plus 18 into 4 equal to 75. So A plus 72 equal to 75. Therefore A equal to 75 minus 72 equal to 3. So now we have got, what we have got? We have got A. Now we have A equal to 3 and D equal to 4, right? Now can you find out the 37th term? Therefore T37 equal to question mark Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T37 equal to A is 3 plus 37 minus 1 into 4. So 3 plus 36 into 4. So 3 plus 144 equal to 147. That's all. Okay. Now we can find out the AP if you wanted, because therefore AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So A is what? 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 2 into 4, etc. So 3, 7, 11, etc. up to, what is the last term? 147. This is the answer. Any difficulties? No. Now next sum, which is very important, which you are going to see. This is very interesting sum. Okay.